Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video I will show you how you can change your own bonnet damper all by yourself easily. First you need a tiny screwdriver, small one, and then you need to push this spring clip upwards 45 degrees maybe, and then you push this socket out from the ball. Okay, the same goes with down there. Now the orientation is important. Make sure you recognize which side face up, which side face down. Now in this case, I'm removing the spring clip from the ball head, and then I just push it out from the ball. Okay, this is how it looks like. The old one, just push it upwards. Then clean the surface on both sides of the ball, and then I'm going to apply some synthetic grease. And this is a new model I bought online. Make sure you get the correct model for your own vehicle. Now this is how it looks like, the ball socket. It comes with some lubricant in there. So first, remove the spring clip. Place your screwdriver as shown in the video just now from upwards. Okay. Then I apply some synthetic grease onto the ball. There you go. Just a tiny thin layer will do. You do not want to get a thick layer, or else you will trap dirt on this inside this socket. Okay. Then push it in and level the spring clip back into its position. The same goes with up here. So first I level the spring clip up. Okay, follow the instruction. I'll follow the way how I did it, and then push this spring clip up a little bit, and then a little bit more, at least 35 to 40 degrees. Okay, away from its position. Then push it back into the ball joint, and push this spring clip back into its position so that it will lock this ball and joint in this position. Now, the working bonnet damper will prevent this bonnet from falling when you have strong wind. Okay, let's say you try to pull it down, it will not come down so easily. Okay, so this is a working, correct bonnet damper should work. Now, I hope my video helps you. I appreciate a thumbs up. Remember, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.